These channels upload random videos on pet like cat and dogs under 60-second long that you can see 33-second, 26-second, and they are getting over 4,000 subscribers every single day and millions of views every single day, and they also making average around $5,000 every single day. But for this video purpose, it's about make money on YouTube Shorts without recording anything, or basically you can make money uploading YouTube Shorts videos. And again, you are not going to make any money from YouTube, but there's two ways that you can make money. So for that, you don't worry about this earning. This is an actual or estimated earning from Social Blade, so don't worry about that. Only worry about the views and subscribers, because these are targeted audience on your niche. Basically, they upload cat videos. Because of that, the only people who like cat videos or dog videos or animal videos are subscribed to these channels. Around 448,000 subscribers, 500,000 subscribers, guys. You can use this audience to make money in two different ways. I will explain that in the middle of the video, so watch that video until the end. Another channels that you can see, again, these channels upload a random videos on cat and dogs and other animals, but only you can see they have 45,000 subscribers. It's a newly created channels, but again, look at this analytic. They're getting around 2,000 to 3,000 subscribers every single day and millions of views every single day. Don't worry about that earning, because it doesn't matter for you. Again, another channel you can see, they don't show the subscribe, but they roughly have 65,000 subscribers. And you can see this is again newly created channels, and they are getting hundreds of thousands of views every single day, uploading simple cat and dog videos on YouTube, guys. Basically, I'm going to show you how you can make money from YouTube Shorts without recording any videos. There's two actual ways, and I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step method where you can find these contents, two different platforms, and upload these videos, and you can make a money every single day, guys. Before we start, welcome to our channel, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to these channels and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions or opinion about these videos, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Step 1, I'm going to show you how you can obtain contents or take contents for YouTube Shorts. The number one source is again YouTube. So you can type funny cats or whatever that you want, or any niche, and you can filter that through Creative Commons. So it will bring all the videos under Creative Commons license. So what is Creative Commons license is basically you can reuse the contents on that license term on your videos, guys. You can't use the entire videos. You can edit, you can change anything. So here you can still monetize a Creative Commons video. So you can see here, these videos are Creative Commons license. They have the Creative Commons license, and you can see some of them have 12 million views, some of them have 34,000 views, some of them 2.2 million. Better you can find the video with vertical format or square format, doesn't matter. So here I find a video. This is a video I want to download it. I get the link and I went to this website. It's called savefrom.net. You have to put that link on here. You can download it on here. This is a source number one. Also, you can go to website like pixel.com. This website, they give you royalty-free videos with the commercial license, which means you can use it whatever the purpose that you want without getting any problem. So basically, go to search bar here and search the term that you want, basically cat on here, and you can select it as a vertical format on here, and you can see these are the videos. You can download it. Now if you open this video, some of them have a music or a sound on it, some of them don't have any sound at all. You can add the music that you want. All you have to do is click this one called free download, and it will automatically download into your computer. Now the step one is clear. You can obtain these videos from YouTube and the Creative Commons license. Second, you can use a website like a Pixel or Pixabay or royalty-free website to get these videos. Now I'm going to show you how you can edit these videos, and I'm going to show you the ways to you can monetize the videos and that you can earn easy money every single day for free, guys. Before that, guys, click the like button and bring that video to 200 likes, guys. Also, write me in the comment section where you from so I can make a video for you guys. I'm from UK, so I wanted you to know where you all from, guys. My favorite editing tool is called Canva for YouTube Shorts. There's a couple of other websites out there. I will talk about that in the future. So all you have to do, click this one called Create a Design. You're going to type ad and you're going to select story ad. It will bring a vertical format. Also, you can use a TikTok template if you want, guys. Now what you have to do is you need to upload the videos that you already downloaded. This is the video. So click this button. You can see this video is around 10 minutes long. We don't want that. So if I click trim button, I'm going to trim that and around 30-second or 40-second long video. So I can do that like this one. Here you can see around 35-second long. Then what they do, drag that video to fit into that frame. That you can see is a simple 30-second videos is done within 1 minute. Now you can add a royalty-free background music if you want. Otherwise, you don't have to do anything. Then what you do, click download button on here and it will download that into MP4 format in your computer. Now you can see your video is downloaded. Now what you have to do, you need to upload that video into YouTube and you're going to put the relevant keywords so you can rank that on a search engine. Also, I'm going to show you the ways that you can monetize it. So you need to watch this part carefully on here. Even though you are uploading YouTube Shorts videos, you will get views when the video start to go viral, but still you need to add relevant keywords so you can get that step much faster ways. So you need to install a tool like tubebuddy. There's a link in the description that you can see. I easily find a keyword. It's called funniest cat ever, try not to laugh, and you can see this is excellent for me to rank. So you can see there's a good search volume and enough competition and optimization is high. So what you have to do, copy this keyword, go to YouTube and upload the video that you download. You can use your mobile or otherwise you can use your laptop or tablet, guys. Click upload video. After you upload the video, you need to put that keyword on here and you're gonna put like this one in the back of the keyword like shorts, and you copy that same thing and you're gonna put that on here. And also you're gonna put where you get this original video, so you're gonna put original video and you're gonna copy that URLs, which is you download that video, which is this is my video I downloaded. Open that, first that video, copy that URL and you're gonna put that on. Also, if you go to bottom of the page and under the license section, you can click that and you're going to put Creative Commons on that. Now, what you have to do now here, everything is done. You don't have to create a thumbnail. On the tags, if you have the TubeBuddy, after you put the title, it will bring all the relevant tags for that. So all you have to do is click plus button on here. It will automatically add it for that. You can add up to 500 words tags on here. So you can see after you add the tags under here, also you have to mention that on tag section, hashtag shorts and YouTube shorts. Now I'm going to show you how you can monetize that videos. All you have to do is go to Google and type your niche, in this case cat, and you're going to type affiliate program and it will bring an articles or list from different website, a top 10 or top 20 affiliate program on that niche. In this case, for my cat, there's a couple of websites offering different affiliate program. These websites are like a product, a subscription based product. If I do that, I will get, as you can see, I will get around 36 pounds in profit per sale, something like that. You can see there's a different affiliate program out there. This is a ClickBank product, as you can see, Brian training for dogs. There's a lots of people are promoting this product on that. That you can see you can earn up to 75% in commission from that program. So you can promote a different affiliate program. It's up to you guys on that. It's a well-known fact. So when you come to YouTube Shorts, you're gonna promote affiliate product. Everyone know that. What is the second method? Second method is much easier and much simpler ways, guys. If you're uploading YouTube shorts and you are getting millions of views and subscribers, then you can use those targeted audience to easily make money online. So I'm going to show you the second and best way to make money is by print on demand. Again, it is not hard, guys. It's very simple to do. That you can see these are the simple cat pictures. They put it on a sticker and they're selling for £1, £1. That you can see on mark £9, and they are making a passive income in the form of royalty from print on demand, guys. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to create this design. So what you have to do, you're going to use Canva and you're going to type t-shirt. That's why you need to have a Canva. There's a link in the description. Go and get that, guys. It's free, but you can upgrade it to pro if you want, but it's completely free. You can see click t-shirt and you can see click t-shirt design. So it will bring all lots of other t-shirt design on here. So select element section on here and you're going to select cats. Simple. You can see this. Look at this image carefully here. Look this cat image, and if you go to the print on demand, and if you see here one of these people, and you can see here this is a different format of the cat. Same thing. If I go back and show you can see this is the picture of that same cat. If I show that on print on demand, then you can see this person is selling the same design from Canva for £1.31, guys. So what make it to stop doing this? You can make this easily within a couple of minutes and you can make a passive income from it. So if I show you my design on here, you can see simple cat picture. From that simple meow is a word from a word animation or word design from Canva. I didn't do anything, just copy and paste on here. After that, what you do, click download button and you're going to select PNG and you're going to select transparent background and download that. Now what you do, go to print on demand website like Redbubble, Teespring, Zazzle. There's lots of other websites that are there. So create an account with it, upload your first design. So I have a couple of designs. I'm gonna upload my one. Gonna select add new work. I'm gonna upload a new work on here. This is my design. I'm gonna put it on here. I'm gonna put the keywords like a cat, something like that, and tags. I'm gonna put funny cat, something like that. You have to do the own research before you create the design and upload it, so you can just make it easier. And you can select me or something like that, right? Description is a funny cat design for cat lovers, something like that, right? On here you can see it will appear on a different product like t-shirts, cats, that you can see phone cases, stickers. You can, if you don't want this design, if you are not satisfied with a phone case design, all you have to do is disable that. Now you can see on pillowcases, you can see on wall art, coffee mug, you can see that. If you don't like it, disable that. You can see is tablet covers, and if you come down bottom, you can see pin button. So if you want to readjust that size, all you have to do is adjust like this one here and apply the changes. So it will, the design won't be cut out in the corners, something like that, right? After that, what you do, come down the bottom and you can select this one calls is about design and illustration, and you can select is a mature content is not, and you're gonna click I have the rights and click save that, right? Simple that. So within a minute, so you can say in 5 minutes you can create a simple short video, and another 5 minutes to upload that short video into YouTube, and another 5 minutes to find an affiliate program to join and promote that, and again another 5 minutes to create a simple cat design and upload it onto any print on demand website, and you make a passive income every single day, guys. And if you want to learn more ways to make money from YouTube shorts, all you have to do is subscribe and like. Bring that video to 200 likes. I will release the video number 3 on tomorrow, guys. Until that, have a good day. And again, if you want to watch the video number 1, click the card on the top corner of the video. Also, I put the link in the description, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.